Okay. Kanira ito ang pagkaon. Dinner. So we are here at the food court of Marina Bay Sands Mall. Mall. So kanina ito ang sudan. Chicken curry. Wow. Itong tilawan kung lamay pa niya. Okay, so mga tagkaon. Yeah, pagkatad, daghan kay tao ng dali-dali o kuman kay para makakaon para magban. Na matadress lang yung nasod, so respeto ta sa tao. Diba, Pinoy, no? Sunod sa balaod sa pangnasod. Pero sa lang kagalingon, maglisod. Okay? Well, katong manok, chicken curry o motoy isa sa pinakasikat rin. Again, nato sa food court rin sa Railroad here at Marina Bay Sands, the shops and Marina Bay Sands. So yeah, chicken is tender, a little pricey but worth its price. It's worth it. Yeah, dagko ang servings. Now, mostly no. You always say like, oh, it's expensive, or yeah, it's cheap. Other place or other countries, like the Philippines, is cheap. It's cheaper, but what do we forget is the quality. Quality. Yeah. Barato lagi, pero napangutana. Lami. Or maayo ba ang quality? Mostly of us Filipinos look for the price. I mean, like, always only consider the price. Ang barato, alak, go, larga. Then, lahira ba dito sa Singapore, no? Kay yeah, the typical taste, dili siya imon nga the typical Filipino taste. LR dire. And even other Asian countries, only the Philippines nga. Pero di arang parata gyud, grabe. Mahadlok ko sulti mo ban nga parat kayo. Yeah. Most like vloggers, tourists, foreigners are scared to tell the truth. Yeah, but I'm Filipino and I'm never scared. Yeah. Sorry to say this, especially sa Cebu, arang parata.